prospered, the Philistines envy him. Look at me. One major reason why the Lord doesn't bless certain people is because those people cannot handle envy. And listen to me very carefully. I want you to go home with this word. There is no prosperity without envy. There is no blessing without envy. In other words, every prosperity, every breakthrough, every greatness, anything good that will come your way will always attract envy. And if you don't know how to handle envy, you are not ready for the blessing. Look at me. There are people who love you now, but when the Lord started blessing you, that is when you will know that they were not your friend. Are you here? There are certain people who are your best friend now. They are your buddy. The two of you are like this, but the moment the Lord started blessing you, that is when you will know that they are with you, but they are not for you. Are you here? And if you don't know how to handle envy, God will not bless you. I have never seen where there is a blessing and there's no envy. Hello? People who envy you just because of your man. People who envy you just because of your car. People who envy you just because of your dressing. People who people who envy. Are you here? People who envy. And hear me, if you don't know how to handle envy, you can't handle blessing. Are you here? If you don't know how to handle, oh come on, am I talking to somebody? If you don't know how to handle, that is some of you, certain things will come into your life and they will go. Why? Because the envy that the blessing attract, you don't know how to handle it. Hello? If you don't know how to handle envy, you can't handle blessing. Are you here? Your position, your blessing, your prosperity, your happiness, your favor, what you have that they don't have will make them envy you, lie on you, hate you for no reason, assassinate your character, talk bad behind your back. Are you here? And if you don't know how to handle the envy, and some of you, that is your problem now. Amen. And listen to me, many years ago, one major thing the Lord taught me, and it's a major secret I want to share with you. The best way to handle envy is not to give it attention. That is why when I see some of you, you heard that somebody talk about you, all of a sudden you go and confront them, you send them voice note, you message them, say, I heard you are talking about me, keep my name out of your mouth. You are not ready for blessing. Hello? You are not ready for blessing. Do you know how many pastors are preaching about me? Do you know how many people are talking about me? Do you know the name they call me? When was the last time you heard me speak? Keep talking. I am busy with God. Keep talking. God is busy blessing me. Are you here? I know you are speaking from the place of envy, so I will not give you my attention. The more you envy, the more I pray, and the more I get blessed. The more you envy, the more I serve God, the more I get blessed. I will not give you attention. I will not reply you. I will not respond to you. Are you here? Shout yes. Envy. You hear people talking about your man, you give them no attention. Yeah. Say the way the husband is loving her is because she cooks something for the man. You to cook it now. Who stop you from cooking your own? Hello? Hello? Then all of a sudden you drove to the house. You say, I heard you say, no, you are not ready for blessing. Are you here? You are not ready for blessing. You let them talk. You let them envy. You let them die in silence. You allow them to criticize. Once you are moving forward, are you here? Listen to me. I want you to go home with this word. Any blessing the Lord will give you will attract envy. Everybody may love you at that workplace, but wait for the day you'll be promoted. That is why you know that good money. Some people know I say good money. Are you here? Yeah. Oh, you think you have so many friends in your life now? Wait until certain blessing come. Hello? Wait until you introduce to them that this is my man now. Now you hear them say, even his nose is too big, and his teeth are very big, and his lip is very small. Are you the one kissing it? He look very short, and blah blah. That is envy. You think they are giving you good advice? It is envy. That is envy. They can't stand the fact that you have what they don't have. Yeah. So hear me. Once you spot out envious people in your life, you give them their space, and you give yourself your own space. Are you here? Every blessing attract envy. I'm telling you, every blessing. You know, we are 7 pastors following my spiritual father, and my spiritual father said, you are the only pastor who never complained about the other pastors. And he asked me one day and said, why you never complain to me? I know they don't support you. You know, when they are preaching and they are ministering, I'll support them. Yeah, I'll take microphone backing them up. I'll do everything to support them. But the moment I am preaching, they'll just sit down. They will not do anything. Yeah. And my father said, how come you never complain about their attitude and everything? And I said, it's because I carry what they don't carry. So whether they support me or not, I bother not. Are you here? Whether they support me or not, I am not bothered. Why? Because I know I have something they envy. I have something they jealous. Are you here? Yeah. Every blessing, every favor, every promotion, every good thing that will come into your life, the next thing you see is envy. Sometimes it's not only your enemies, so sometimes your own family. Oh, let me shock you. Sometimes the same people in the church, the same church people, envy. Envy. There are people who even envy you because you are close to the pastor more than them. Oh yes, I'm telling you. They will envy you because you say you call prophet and prophet answer. And they say, me, I've been calling since 1901. You never answer. Envy, watch out for it. Let's go. Envy. Are you here? Watch out for it. Watch out for envy. If you give your attention to anybody who envy you, you miss what they envy in your life. You miss it. You are going to miss it.
Welcome to Mega Prophetic Ministry. We are prophetic. We are apostolic. We are a mega family.